guys, are you aware that in 3 months time, that's in June 2024, Facebook is going to start monetizing most of the African countries, Nigeria, Kenya, and the rest of them? So before that time, I want to bring to your notice things you actually need to check on your Facebook page to be sure that you are ready for this monetization, to be sure that once it's June 2024, your account is going to be monetized. So let's go there. What is Facebook monetization? Facebook monetization is simply getting money for the value that you are giving to your audience on Facebook. If you are posting a video, you're a content creator, you're a motivational speaker, whatever that you are doing on Facebook, it's a value. That's why people are following you. And if you are able to monetize that page and get something in return, it's not bad. It's something to be proud of, and it's something that will motivate you to create more of this content. Why should you monetize your Facebook page in the first place? As a side hustle, if you monetize your Facebook page, it's something. Even people use content creating as a full-time work. They use content creating. So if your full-time work is content creating, it's important if you monetize your page. In the past, what people do, what Africans do, what countries that are not monetized do, is just to keep posting their content. Then when it gets to monetization, they will send it to somebody they trusted abroad where pages are being monetized, for the person to fill his or her payment form and receive the money, then send back to him. You understand? So it's like giving your account to somebody that you trusted in a country where Facebook is being monetized. But today we are happy because the news says that in June 2024, Africans, Nigerians, Kenyans, and some of these countries are going to be able to monetize it themselves in their country. What's our Facebook monetization guideline? You don't own Facebook, you don't control Facebook, you don't manage Facebook. So for you to be able to monetize your page, you have to keep to Facebook monetization guideline, because Facebook is not yours. You are just a user there. You just created a page and started posting content. So what you can manage only is that your page. So before I go into Facebook monetization guideline, let me show you how you are going to check if your Facebook page is eligible for monetization, because unfortunately not all pages are eligible for monetization. This is my Facebook page. It's a professional page and I want to check if I am eligible for monetization. What I have to do is to come to this my profile, three dot by the right, click on it, scroll down to dashboard, look at professional dashboard, click on it. When I click on professional dashboard, I will scroll down. You see tools. These are creator tools. If you want to check the health status of your page, click on profile recommendation. Once you click on profile recommendation, click on profile status. As you can see, I have a restriction, restricted for monetization. It said my profile is recommendable, but I am restricted for monetization. Let me show you. So it happens to be that sometime ago in the past, I've posted copyright content. Facebook will not tell you about some of these things, but they are going to penalize you. So I've posted copyright content in the past, so that means this page might have issue when I want to monetize it. So let's go to monetization, click. According to my page, I can make money on Reels, I can make money on bonuses and in-stream ads. But even on this in-stream ads, even on all these three that I can make money on, I've not been eligible in any of them. The only one that I've even achieved anything is 1 out of 5 criteria. Look at it, in-stream ads. So if you click on it, you will see that I have not met they reside in an eligible country, which there is a prospect. They are saying that in June 2024 that Facebook
will start paying Nigerian residents, which I've not seen any official video on it or official announcement. You follow Facebook content monetization, they're saying I did not follow the content monetization policy, and it's because of that copyright content that I posted. Your profile has at least 5,000 followers, mine is still as 3.3 followers. Your eligible videos, including on-demand, live and previously live, has been viewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. Mine has only been viewed 994 minutes, but I've shared 5 eligible videos. So if I'm able to meet these 5 criteria, I can be able to earn from this.
So for Facebook to be able to monetize you, you have to follow Facebook monetization guideline. Number one is that you have to share authentic non-copyright content. Authentic non-copyright content. That is, if you are creating a video, you create a video. Your video, if you are writing an article, you write your article. If whatever you are posting should be a non-copyright content. You have to develop an established online presence on Facebook for at least 90 days. That's your page. You should have created it for 90 days. That your page will need to be online for 90 days. Anything less than that, your page cannot be monetized. You have to comply with Facebook community standard. There are community standards on Facebook. In this video, I am going to explain that. You have to comply with Facebook payment terms. There are Facebook payment terms that you are supposed to follow too. I am going to explain that in this video. Comply with Facebook page terms. There are also Facebook page terms which in this video too I am going to explain. So guys, if you are enjoying this content, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video so that every other person who is interested, I know so many people will be interested in this topic, can easily see it and also watch this video. So what are Facebook community standard? Facebook community standard are rules and regulations that Facebook always list out. There is a link to that rules and regulation to be able to sanitize and make sure that Facebook is clean and is able to accommodate every member of Facebook. It falls into 6 categories: violence and criminal behavior, safety, objectionable content, integrity and authenticity, respect for intellectual property, and content related requests. In summary, this is just a standard that seeks to discourage online bully, promoting terrorism or political violence, hate speech, copyright infringement, and more. So these are just rules that seek to make sure that these things doesn't exist on Facebook. What are Facebook payment terms? They cover pricing, payment credentials. Like I told you, if your country is not monetized, you cannot put your country payment details. That's what people used to do in the past. Send their Facebook account to somebody who is in a country where they are monetized, so that the person will now fill in his or her own details on your Facebook payment page. Subscriptions and extra terms, such as shipping cost. So if you can comply on these Facebook terms, payment terms, and community standard, for sure your account is going to be eligible for monetization. Like I showed you, I used a video content that I did not have in that my account that I showed you, and now that account is not eligible for monetization. For you to be able to monetize your page, you have to grow your page. You have to grow it at least up to 10,000, above 5,000, depending on the kind of monetization that you are looking for. So how do you grow your page? Listen, like I said in my former video, you don't grow your page by going out hunting for likes. It's not a get quick rich scheme. What you have to do is to consistently post on your Facebook page, create a good content, and your audience will find you. It's more difficult now to grow on Facebook unlike before, but nevertheless, if you keep on posting quality content, if you keep on posting, if you keep on posting contents that your audience actually wants, they are definitely going to find you, depending on your niche, but they are going to find you. And when they find you, when they find you, their likes too are going to find you. Just make your content to be able to be relatable, such like they can be able to answer questions, give feedbacks, drop comments. Those things will make their likes to be able to see that, see, your friend drops social comment on social page. It will attract their friends to your page. Also, you can do Facebook advertisements if you want to grow your page. You can do sponsored ads, pay Facebook to show more people what you do. So it depends on what you actually want to do with your Facebook page. Nevertheless, there are other ways that you can earn on Facebook. There are other ways that you can earn on Facebook. Please let me beg you again, if you are watching this video till this moment, please do well to subscribe to my channel. The first way that you can be able, apart from normal Facebook monetization, there are other ways that you are going to earn from Facebook. The first one is by building a quality content page. When you start giving out quality content back to back on your page, even without Facebook monetizing it, people will see the content, people want to advertise with you, people will want to sponsor you. There are so many things, just on a steady note, keep giving out quality content on your Facebook page. The second one is to start selling online courses and subscription. People can subscribe to your page and become members of your page or group or whatever you call it, and you can also sell online courses on your Facebook page. You can make a lot of money that can help you reach people you cannot be able to reach physically. So I would advise you, if you have a quality course that you want to sell, you can make use of your Facebook page to sell those courses. You can sell products or merchandise. Like me, on my Facebook page, I sell laptops, and I cannot tell you the quantity, the numbers of laptops that I've sold using my Facebook page. So you can actually sell products using your Facebook page. Another one is you can do affiliate marketing with your Facebook page, sending your users to a website to buy, and all the people that bought through your link, you are going to get a reward for that. There is this last one which I don't support most of the time. You can even sell your page. If you can build up a page to a particular length, to a particular level, and sell the page. So there are so many ways you can make money on Facebook. By now, I'm sure that you've checked your Facebook page and you are now sure whether your page is eligible or not eligible for monetization by June 2024. My advice is, if your page is eligible, please continue giving out content back to back, back to back, back to back. If your page is not eligible for monetization, what I advise you to, if you want to earn on Facebook, is to go ahead and create a new Facebook page. Create a new Facebook page, keep it clean, make sure that you follow a Facebook community standard, and follow these rules, and start giving out content back to back. Please don't go ahead to start posting contents that you posted in your previous account. You can share them, but don't post them. Thank you. I hope you are able to learn something new on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.